Hello everyone, welcome to EduTechGyan YouTube channel. Another episode on the Microsoft Azure series. Today's topic is how to create a data factory. So before creating data factory, let's get some point clear with you. What is the data factory? So benefit and steps to create data factory. We are going to see the practically how to create data factory. So let's get started. What is Azure Data Factory? Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based data integration service provided by Microsoft. It allows users to create, schedule, manage data-driven workflow and that flow move and transform data from various sources to desired destination, both within and beyond the Azure ecosystem. So if you can see the below diagram, this is how the process will work. We can integrate any source of data, we can process the data, and then we can convert the data into any specific form whatever we want, and we can transfer from one location to the another location. Basically, Azure data is a pipeline where we can set the data process. Next point is benefit of Azure Data Factory. What are the benefits? First benefit is scalability and flexibility. Azure Data Factory enables seamless scaling to handle massive data volume, ensuring it meets the evolving need of your organization as data requirement grows. This is the first benefit. Second benefit is data orchestration. ADF facilitates smooth orchestration of data movement and transformation, simplifying complex data flows and reducing operational overhead. This is the second benefit. Third benefit is hybrid data integration. Connect and integrate data from on-premise data source, cloud-based application, other services, creating a unified and coherent data ecosystem. Fourth is code-free approach. Leverage ADF's user-friendly interface to build data pipelines without the need for extensive coding knowledge, empowering engineers and analysts of all skills levels. So this is actually one of the best thing. Actually, here we have inbuilt tools or component. What we say component like data flow, data factory, data sets, pipelines. So we just need to connect and provide specific resources to them, and it will easily create monitoring and insight, gain real-time visibility into data pipeline, monitor performance, and identify bottlenecks, ensuring the reliability and efficiency of your data integration processes. Next topic is practical demonstration. These are some steps I mentioned here how to create Azure Data Factory. Let's go directly to the database. So once you log into the Azure Database portal, so the portal looks like this. Here we are going to create first Azure Data Factory. So just click on the create new resource. Here you need to find Azure Data Factory. Once you found, just click on that. Right, you can see here Data Factory. Just click on that. Click on create button. Here you need to provide a detail. So I'll select actually I have created one resource group, that is a demo. So let's go, we are going to use this one only, demo resource group, and I'm giving the name like demo data factory. Let's check, it will take, yeah, it is taken. Okay, no, it is already there. Okay, demo ADF application, like ADF. Let me check. This is also taken. ADF demo data factory. Sorry, I have to be small case. Demo data factory 0. We'll mention a group channel in EduTechGyan. Yeah, this is using, right? And the version is will keep as it is. There is no other option. Reason you can select any else, select as a default one. Next one is the GitHub integration. Configure the GitHub it is staying there, but we are not going to integrate now, so we'll do it later. That's why we check this network. So currently we are just not changing anything here in the networking, so we'll keep as it is. After that we have advanced stuff, nothing will do here in advanced. Tag is okay, we are not going to create any tag. So now we are going to click on the review and create button. So it will be validating our configuration first, and then it will allow us to create. So let's wait. It will take a couple of seconds to validate, and then we can create. Yes. So validation is done. So now we can hit the create button. So once we hit the create button, initialize it will start initializing the process, and then it will start the deployment process. It is submitting and how to start the deployment. Yes, it is enabled directly to the deployment phase. So you can see here on the top it is mentioned deployment is in progress. First it will verify the resource what we have provided, that is validated or not. So it is done actually. It is bit fast, very fast. So it is done. We can click on go to resource option. Once you click here, so you will reach to this page. Now you can see the name of our data factory, like EduTechGyan demo data factory. Okay. So here we have a lots of options. All the things we can handle from here to access travel, okay, or the property of whatever you want to see. So now we are very much interested in launching the Azure Studio, actually Azure Data Factory Studio. When you launch, so whatever the process we are going to do pipeline creation, that will happen inside this. So let's hit this button. It will open in a new tab actually, and it will launching the Azure Data Factory environment. Yes, so it is launch actually. So if you can see here on the top, it is saying that to set up a code repository. Okay, so we'll leave it now. We'll not do this now. We'll see in the later videos how to set up these things. Okay, so this is how the environment is look like, and we have here some options. I'm expanding this, so you can see this is the home page. This is the author. In the author we are going to create a pipeline. Like actually you can see there is a lots of factory resources are there, like pipeline, data chain capture, data set, data flow, power queries. So generally what we are going to use, we use a data set to create a data set of the multiple inputs or the output purpose. Data flow is a flow we need to write how our data, and pipeline is to connect the multiple data flow or multiple objects into the seamless line. This is monitor. In the monitor we can check the pipeline run statuses, trigger time, trigger statuses, or we can see the integration runtime also here. Okay, this is the default integration runtime. Integration runtime we need to run the pipeline. Here also we can see the data flow debug processes as well if we are doing the debug thing. In the manage page, this is the main page actually. Here what we can do, we can create a lots of things here. Like in the this is link service. Link service is the main part of this data factory actually. In the link service we created a multiple link services, like link service for SQL connections, link service for storage account, link service for key vault, or any third party services we are going to access, like SFTP connection or a Databricks kind of thing. So we are just going to create a connections here, and then we can use that connection into the our actual ADF, Azure Data Factory. Here we have option like integration runtime. I already told you that we can create your own integration runtime if you want to customize it. We have a GitHub configuration option here. Here we can set configure our GitHub to code checking purpose and code management purpose. Here we have ARM template option. ARM template is nothing but if you want to move whatever the ADF factory you created to the another environment, then you simply just import and export the thing, so it will work for you. triggers. You can create a trigger for your pipeline. When you create a pipeline, so you want to schedule the pipeline to be run at a specific time, so then you need to just create a trigger. Global parameter, we have a global parameter is a parameter that we use uniquely throughout the pipeline. So whenever you want, we just need to be defined here, and then we can access that by that global parameters. These are the things we can see in the future. Okay, future videos. So that's it. This is how you can create a data factory. From here you can use it anything, like you want to create anything. Like if I suppose want to create a pipeline, I just need to click here, and then it will give me this kind of environment, and then you need to select something here. Like I'm going to select a data source. Then once you select a data source, you need to pass a data set. So currently we have not created any data set, then you have to create a data set and then pass the data source value here. So I'm not going to say this, I'm just telling you this. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy cloud computing. Goodbye.
Thank you for joining us on this educational and technological adventure at EduTechGyan. We hope you enjoyed the content and gained valuable insights to help you on your learning journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas for future videos, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Remember, knowledge is power, and with EduTechGyan, you'll always be ahead in the game. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep embracing the wonders of education and technology. Stay curious.